Hi guys, and welcome once again to my channel. If you guys remember, in the previous episode we visited Hayden Falls in Dublin, which is on the outskirts of Columbus, Ohio. Today we are remaining in Dublin to discover another waterfall. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Indian Run Falls, a hidden gem in the heart of Ohio. Today, I'm going to take you on a journey to discover the beauty of this natural wonder. Indian Run Fall is a 20-foot waterfall located in Dublin, Ohio. It is surrounded by a lush forest that's perfect for hiking and exploring. The waterfall itself is a sight to behold. The waterfall cascades down the rocks and creates a misty veil that adds to the enchanting ambience. The pool at the base of the waterfall is a great place to cool off on a hot summer day. It's also a popular spot for people to swim and relax. It is also interesting to note that the park has several hiking trails that lead away from the falls, offering stunning views of the surrounding countryside. It's a great place to get some exercise and explore the outdoors. Indian Run Falls is truly a magical place that everyone should experience. Whether you're looking for a peaceful getaway or an adventure in nature, the park has something for everyone. Note that Indian Falls is more than just a beautiful natural wonder. It's also a place rich in history and cultural significance. The park has a historical marker that explains the importance of the area to the Wyandot Native American tribe. They considered the falls to be a sacred place and used it for spiritual and ceremonial purposes. The park's amphitheater hosts several cultural events throughout the year, including music concerts and theatrical performances. The scenery is stunning, and the quiet surroundings make it easy to clear your mind and find your inner peace. Indian Run Fall is a place where nature, culture, and serenity come together to create an unforgettable experience. From swimming in the refreshing pool below the waterfall to picnicking with friends and family, Indian Run Fall offers a perfect getaway for those looking for a fun and relaxing day out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing travel destinations like this one. See you in the next video.